Have you ever lain in bed, staring at the ceiling, replaying conversations, mistakes, and worries over and over again until the night feels endless? The Stoics believed that the quality of your sleep depends not on the softness of your pillow, but on the stillness of your mind. What if, instead of carrying your problems into the night, you could set them down before you closed your eyes? Imagine ending each day as the Stoics did, free from regret, untouched by anxiety about tomorrow, and grateful for the present moment. Isn't that the kind of peace we're all looking for? Welcome to Stoic Blend, where ancient wisdom meets modern life. Today, we explore 5 Stoic lessons to sleep with a peaceful mind. These are timeless teachings from Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, designed to quiet the noise of the day and prepare your soul for rest. Lesson 1. End the day with self-examination. The Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius often reflected on his actions before sleep. In Meditations, he wrote, "Let not your mind run on what you lack as much as on what you have already." Before you sleep, the Stoic approach is to calmly review the day, not with self-criticism that stirs anxiety, but with honest assessment. What did you do well? Where did you fall short? What can you improve tomorrow? Seneca compared this to balancing the books of the day's moral account. When the light has been removed and my wife has fallen silent, I examine my entire day and go back over what I've done and said. This practice clears the mental clutter. Instead of letting mistakes weigh on you, you acknowledge them, learn, and release them. The mind rests easier when it's not carrying unresolved judgment. Lesson 2. Accept what you cannot change. One reason many of us can't sleep is because we cling to worries about things beyond our control. Epictetus reminds us, some things are up to us, and some are not. The Stoic discipline is to separate the two. Did someone speak harshly to you today? You can't control their words, only your response. Did a plan fail? The outcome is beyond your control, only your effort was yours to command. Marcus Aurelius put it plainly. If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it. And this you have the power to revoke at any moment. Lying awake worrying about what's already done or what you cannot influence is like trying to stop the tide with your hands. The Stoic path is to let the waves come and go, unmoved. Accepting. Lesson 3. Release tomorrow's burdens. The mind often loses peace at night, not because of today, but because of tomorrow. We rehearse future conversations, imagine worst-case scenarios, or feel the weight of tasks ahead. Seneca warned against this. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality. By carrying the future into the present moment, we multiply our suffering. The Stoics teach us to meet tomorrow when it arrives, not before. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Do not let the future disturb you. You will meet it, if you have to, with the same reason you have today." As you prepare for sleep, imagine setting down the suitcase of tomorrow's worries at the door of the night. You can pick it up in the morning, rested, stronger, and ready. Lesson 4. Gratitude as a nightly ritual. Gratitude is a cornerstone of Stoic peace. It shifts your focus from what is missing to what is present. Marcus Aurelius advised, when you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive. This can also apply at night. Before sleep, recall the people, moments, and even challenges that enriched your day. Why challenges? Because they strengthen character. Epictetus taught, difficulties show what men are. Gratitude for hardships means you are no longer their prisoner. You have transformed them into teachers. A short nightly gratitude list spoken aloud or written anchors your mind in contentment, and a content mind drifts easily into peaceful rest. Lesson 5. Align with nature and the present moment. The Stoics believed that peace comes from living in harmony with nature, accepting life as it unfolds and acting with virtue. Marcus Aurelius often reminded himself, loss is nothing else but change, and change is nature's delight. Night is a natural part of life's rhythm. Just as the sun sets, your mind too must release the day and settle into rest. To sleep with a peaceful mind, root yourself in the present moment. Feel the weight of your body on the bed, the rhythm of your breath, the stillness around you. There is no past to rewrite, no future to solve, only now. This final of our Stoic lessons is not just for sleep, it is for life itself. When you live fully in the present, peace follows you into the night and greets you in the morning. We've explored 5 Stoic lessons to sleep with a peaceful mind. 1. End the day with self-examination. 2. Accept what you cannot change. 3. Release tomorrow's burdens. 4. Practice nightly gratitude. 5. Align with nature and the present moment. These practices are simple but powerful. They strip away the noise, the worry, and the restlessness, leaving you with the stillness the Stoics cherished. If you found value in these teachings and want more wisdom to guide your days and nights, subscribe to Stoic Blend and join our growing community. Ancient wisdom is timeless, but it becomes truly alive when we live it. Sleep well, live well, and remember, the most peaceful mind is the one aligned with virtue.